Hello, today we are going to solve the question number 2 from ISS 2019 paper 1. The joint distribution of two random variables x and y is given below. So this is the joint distribution of x and y, and here alpha is greater than equals to 0 for all I, and sum over alpha I is equals to 1. Now, which of the following are correct? Whether expectation of x to the power r is equals to alpha 3 plus alpha 4, or expectation of xy is alpha 4 minus alpha 3, or expectation of xy to the power 2n is alpha 3 plus alpha 4 for all n. So we need to find the correct option in this given four options. So let's try it. So here expectation of x to the power r is 0 to the power r, probability of x equals to 0 plus 1 to the power r multiplied by probability of x equals to 1. We write it from the definition of expectation as x only takes two values, that is 0 and 1. Therefore expectation of x to the power r is nothing but 0 to the power r probability of x equals to 0 and 1 to the power r multiplied by probability of x equals to 1. Now this portion results in 0 as this is a multiplication with 0, and this results in probability of x equals to 1. Okay, now probability of x equals to 1 is nothing but alpha 3 plus alpha 4, as this is the marginal probability. So expectation of x to the power r results in alpha 3 plus alpha 4. So statement 1 is correct. Now let's check the statement 2. Statement 2 says that expectation of xy is equals to alpha 4 minus alpha 3. Now the multiplication of xy results in 0, minus 1 or plus 1. Now the probability that xy is equals to 0 is nothing but probability x equals to 0 and y equals to 1, or probability x equals to 0, y equals to minus 1. Now probability x0 y1 is alpha 1, and probability x0 y minus 1, probability x0 y minus 1 is alpha 1 and probability x0 y1 is alpha 2. Therefore probability xy equals to 0 is alpha 1 plus alpha 2. Now next we have to find the probability xy is equals to minus 1. The probability xy, that is the multiplication of two random variables, results in minus 1 when x is equals to 1 and when x is equals to 1 and y is equals to minus 1. This is only the case. Okay, so x equals to 1 and y equals to minus 1 is nothing but alpha 3. Now we have to find the probability x equals to 1. Now the multiplication of two random variables is results in 1 can be written as x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. This is the only case. Therefore probability x equals to 1 and y equals to 1 results in alpha 4. Okay, therefore our required expectation of xy is nothing but 0 multiplied by probability x equals to 0 plus minus 1 multiplied by probability of xy equals to minus 1 plus 1 multiplied by probability xy equals to 1. Now this portion results in 0. The next one is minus of probability alpha 3 and plus of probability alpha 4. Therefore alpha 4 minus alpha 3, which also a correct option. Okay, so option 2 is also correct. Now let's check the statement 3, that is expectation of xy to the power 2n. Expectation of xy to the power 2n is also probability of 0 to the power 2n probability xy is equals to 0 plus minus 1 to the power 2n probability xy is equals to minus 1 and plus 1 to the power 2n multiplied by probability of x1 equals to 1. As we know that from the above case that xy takes only three values, that is 0, minus 1 and plus 1. This portion results in 0. Now as n is an integer, therefore minus 1 to the power 2n, here 2n is a even number, therefore it results in plus 1. So probability of xy equals to minus 1 is alpha 3 and probability of xy equals to 1 is alpha 4. Therefore this results in alpha 3 plus alpha 4 for all n. Therefore statement 3 is also correct. So from these given four options, the right option will be the option D. That is 1, 2, 3, all statements are correct. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.